I am going to show you exactly how to use the most useful and underrated Canva keyboard shortcuts to design faster and more efficiently. This is perfect for beginners, content creators, students, or anyone who wants to speed up their workflow in Canva without overcomplicating things, and you do not need any advanced design skills to follow along. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let us start with the simplest but most underrated shortcuts for adding elements. If you press the letter C on your keyboard, Canva will instantly add a circle shape. Press the letter R and you will add a square or rectangle. If you press the letter L, Canva will add a line. Now here is a common frustration for beginner designers. If you press the letter L multiple times, the lines tend to stack diagonally instead of aligning properly. To fix this, select all the lines you just added, right-click, choose Space Evenly, then click Tidy Up, and Canva will automatically align everything cleanly for you. Next, if you press the letter T, Canva will instantly add a text box that is ready to use. Now let us move on to my favorite shortcuts, and easily the most useful ones if you want to design efficiently. These are the Canva editing shortcuts you actually need to memorize. First is the duplicate shortcut, which I use constantly. Just press Ctrl D to duplicate any element instantly. You can also use the classic copy and paste. Press Ctrl C to copy, then press Ctrl V to paste. Now this next shortcut is my personal favorite and one of my most recent finds in Canva. Instead of pressing two keys, you can simply hold the Alt key on your keyboard, then click and drag any element, text, or image, and Canva will automatically duplicate it for you. Next, let us talk about positioning, because this alone can save you hours of work. Instead of manually opening the layer panel every time, just press Ctrl and the right bracket key to bring an element forward, or press Ctrl and the left bracket key to send it backward. For the last shortcuts, these are basic but essential. If you want to move multiple elements at once, press Ctrl G to group them. To ungroup, press Ctrl Shift G. If you accidentally delete something, just press Ctrl Z to undo. And if you change your mind and want to redo the action, press Ctrl Y. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. These Canva shortcuts will help you design faster, cleaner, and more efficiently without overthinking your workflow. If you want more Canva tips, beginner-friendly tutorials, and simple design hacks like this, hit like, leave a comment, and follow for more easy design tricks you can use right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.